And welcome to a game that really should have pulses racing. Every reason to believe this will be enthralling. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for expert analysis by my partner Stuart Robson. And we have live Primera action coming your way next. It's Vålerenga facing Molde.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
The lineup then for the hosts.
Well, a 4-4-2 system relies on good combinations all over the pitch. The front two, the central midfield pairing, the fullback and winger, and of course the centre-backs. If you can get these combinations right, you'll have a good team.
And now they get the ball rolling. And on the back of that particular challenge, will the referee let the matter rest there? We're going to see the first yellow card of the game. The referee not standing on ceremony.
Well, he's under pressure now. It's a long time to be on a booking.
Sese. Could be. Well, couldn't quite direct the shot on target. The referee's letting it go as they keep the ball. Well, the attack looks promising. And options in the centre. How can they open up the defence here? Comfortable in dealing with the cross. Getting in there to intercept. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Fruitful looking attack. Could be troublesome. Oh, could be. An early goal. It is the ideal opening.
Well, here's the replay, and in many ways it doesn't do justice to how patient they were in the build-up. Just so composed, waiting for the right moment. And then the finish is fairly simple in the end. That's a good goal.
And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? flirting with more than a bit of danger following that challenge. He's already been booked. And it is a second yellow. He's off.
Well, you could sense it coming, couldn't you? It's a really silly challenge.
And time for the change now. Delivered into the box. Well, he didn't miss by all that much with the header. Just a little bit off target. Fine sequence of passes. Committed challenge. Sese. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Breaking at pace. And he's in. And how well the keeper did.
Well, that's just exceptional. He reacted so quickly there.
Can he deliver it with accuracy? Well, not the best clearance. Great defending here. Could be threatening. And struggling to get the shot off. Superb save.
Well, he should score, of course, but that's a brilliant save.
And now the delivery. It didn't happen for them. Teammate available. Well, high quality defending. Scope for them to produce something exciting. Is it going to be? Save, but still a chance. Well, no damage done. This might be ideal for the counter. And very deftly cut out. Oh, a nice-looking pass. Looking confident with the ball that has been... And a goal! There he is! And the double! They just can't subdue him!
Well, here's the replay, and as you can see, this is almost perfect. Lots of curl and enough pace on it. The keeper had no chance.
Well, a second goal for them here.
Well, as you can see, the hosts have had most of the ball, and they've made good use of it. They really have played some good attacking football, and they look like scoring more.
Wonderful challenge, and a throw-in coming up. Just failing to hit the target with his pass. And it'll be a throw-in. The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. And a strong tackle. The first half here comes to an end. Well, we're highlighting him for a reason. He's bossing the game, Stuart, and giving the defenders headaches.
Well, you won't see too many better performances than this. He's been an absolute menace to these defenders today, and of course he's taken his goals really well.
And now they get the ball rolling. We're going to see the first yellow card of the game. Could be. Well, couldn't quite direct the shot on target. Fruitful looking attack. Could be troublesome. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Will it happen for them? And he takes it on. Goalkeeper getting both gloves on the ball. Sese. Well, possession is the watchword inside their own territory. And Moreira on the ball. And he's through here. Oh, marvellous goalkeeping.
Well, it's a top-class save from a top-class goalkeeper. That's absolutely brilliant.
And time for the change now. Corner kick played in. And they deal with the threat this time. And options in the centre. Setting off perhaps a little bit too much here. Keeping the ball moving. In position. Oh, really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that's such a good save, isn't it? How did he keep that one out?
Playing it in. It didn't happen for them. And the counter looks on here. Options available. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? Tremendous challenge. 30 minutes to go then. Might really be able to trouble them here. He's protecting it well. In search of space. Really good diving stop to make sure the threat came to nothing. Here it is now, a substitution. So the corner played into the box. Did his job defensively. He just missed that little bit of attacking spark. Goalkeeper's ball. They've given it away. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. They need to get bodies back. Well, possibilities in the centre. And the danger's still on. Wonderful chance. Oh, a nearly moment, but not quite good enough.
Well, you certainly can't fault them for effort. They keep applying the pressure, and if they can just nick one, they're right back in this.
Substitution time it is here. Decent progress with the ball at his feet. And possibilities here. And space to cross it. Moving the ball effectively. Flinging himself at it, the keeper. And played short. Well, that's how to put in a clean tackle. Now can they counter clinically? Intelligent threaded pass here. Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. Firing it towards goal. And a goal to tighten things up. They've thrown themselves a lifeline.
Well, as you can see here, the build-up is patient, it's precise and penetrative, which opens up the opposition. And then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
Time for a change then. Well, underway again. It's a narrow 2-1 lead as things stand. And so into the final 5 minutes. Well, it must be mighty annoying when you can't get near the ball. On the cusp of the final whistle, and they're making home advantage count, but only just. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, it's been a really good contest, you have to say. But overall, I think they've just about deserved to be in the lead here. Can they now just see this game through for what will be an excellent win?
The referee's verdict is 3 additional minutes. Options in the middle. A really top-notch piece of defending. The referee blows for full time. It ends in a victory for the home team. No complaints from the fans here.
Well, Derek, it was very competitive. Chances at both ends, but I feel they were the better team and they deserved their victory.
Well, we're highlighting him for a reason, Stuart. He's put in a really authoritative performance here.
Well, I have to say, that was impressive. Not just his goals, but his all-round play. He was excellent.
Fruitful looking attack. Could be troublesome.